question is difference between CAP and CAP Foundation and CAP WTA. As all you know what is CAP, we're working here, but I want to know what is CAP Foundation and what is CAP WTA. What's the difference between CAP Foundation and CAP WTA? What are they?
What are the skills required to train rural people? To teach or train rural people, we want to learn about rural people first of all. So we should know about how to train rural people. What are their behaviors? Okay, thank you.
Next point is here, rule of SRLM, State Rural Lively Missions. This is the one of the Oroma's part. So, what is the rule of SRLM? We have to say. And this is also what is the NRIT and their rules. The same fact is Oroma's. Both of this point we want to discuss.
Fine. Now discussion. Next.
Step of training, ठीक है, mobilization and counseling and all about the training, step by step.
Job security in CAP. So, job security is all job security is
This is job security in CAF. This is the point is job security in CAF means how we are staying in CAF Foundation. Then what is our rules and our job is security means 1 year or 2 year or 2 months. Okay.
Nine point. How to place rural youth.
Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon to all. I am explaining all the points from first to 10. Our main topic is what to learn. It means first point is learn about all.
I have a doubt. Not to explain all the point. Why? What is the need of explaining all the point? They have already explained.
So 9th one is why communication gap in CAF management. It means when we are giving such a communication, whether it is our team, it is our trainers or higher management, there are maximum gaps. Sometimes trainer told that our senior manager called me that there is leave and other issues, but center manager don't know. If the trainer has some issues, they directly follow the hierarchy. They don't follow the hierarchy without approval of center manager, directly contact the administration or as well as directors. That is the main communication gap in CAP. We want to learn why this gap occurs in CAP foundation.
Finished? All the points? There are no points backside of that?
Yes.
Then who will do that? So, use this. Right. Start.
There are certain pointers which I have not mentioned in the sheet. Our second group have mentioned these pointers. I will explain. Hierarchy of organization. We don't know what is the hierarchy of CAP Foundation. Second one is mobilization. It is our basic need that the project is dependent on mobilization. But we don't know what is the role of trainer, what is the role of center manager, what is the role of state team in mobilization. We want to know that point. Placement agencies. After train the youth, we need the placement. It is our main target in this project, whether it is DDUGKY as well as it is Roshni. Our placement target is 75%. So we need focus on placement. But what is our placement agencies? We don't know what is our agency, what is our placement team, what they are doing. And fourth point, what are the benefits of the students? Our newly trainers don't know if a candidate is joining as it is whether in DDU-GKY project or Roshni project, what are the benefits? Firstly, benefits is we will give them entitlement free of cost training, stationery, books, etc. This is the main benefit. But our newly trainers, facilitators want to know what are the benefits. Fifth point is what are different in program run by CAP. It means what are the besides DDU-GKY and Roshni project. We don't know what are the several many other projects in CAP. So we need to know about that projects also. What is the all about SOP? We don't know full SOP. SOP is a two-part. First one for part 1 and part 2. All the trainers and all the TOT members want to know about what is SOP. Software.
Software IT.
We don't know about software. What is this? We have mentioned this point in software.
We have mentioned, we are not knowing that what are the software used by this CAP Foundation.
What software?
MIS.
For what purpose?
MIS.
Yes,
Different
this software is
purposes.
Sulekha. We are using the data in Jharkhand in Sulekha portal, which is the JSLPS software.
That's fine.
What is PI and its role? PI means program implementing agencies.
Here we are just writing what, not the answer.
Same point is SOP.
Huh.
SQL to teach effectively. What are the SQLs we can teach effectively to our trainees? SQL which we make impact on students and others. Those SQLs, how we can learn the SQL by which they will be impactful for our trainers as well as students. HR policy in CAP. What are the major HR policies in CAP? How to communicate with students effectively? What are the relations by which we can communicate easily and effectively to our students? Thanks.
Right. Thank you. Come on. Sit down. Now we'll invite people to give feedback to their presentation. How was the presentation?